Hi guys, I'm Kip Valentin Dimagdao, and today I will be teaching you guys how to apply the derivative of a logarithmic. So, as you all see here, we have a problem, which is find the derivative of f of x is equal to the logarithmic base of 5 3x plus 5. So, first of all, you have to find the formula of the base of a logarithmic with a base, which is 3. I got f of x is equals to the logarithmic of a by logarithmic of base a by u. So ang derivative, so its derivative is will be equal to 1 over u ln a times the derivative of u. So let's go back to our problem and identify. So as you can see here, our u is this. So u is equals to 3x plus 5, and its derivative will be equals to just 3. So we will find the 3, and now we substitute our problem to the formula. So f of x is equal to logarithmic base of 5 times 3x plus 5. So the derivative of f of x is equals to 1 over u, which is 3x plus 5 ln 5 times the derivative of u, which is 3, and now we have to simplify. So f of x is equals to 3 over 3x plus 5 ln 5, and that is our answer. I hope you guys learned from my lesson here, and I will also hope that I will be able to see you in my next video. That's all. Thank you.